Guys, we're back with the 66 Java. We're calling this one Bruce Banner. I had to tow it out with the Kubota. Josh was driving it. It would not budge. Now, it's making a liar out of me. Put it in 4th gear. Still goes backwards. So now it won't find the gear. And I have to give another huge shout out to CC for sending me their impact kit. Love this kit. Comes with sockets, 2 batteries, a charger, and the case, and it's all there. It stays there. Throw it in the truck, you got it. There's a link in the description if you want to check this tool out. Well, that was tight. Yeah. Kind of missing some stuff. Do you guys really want to watch me do all this? Was that a yes? I didn't hear you. I just don't want these flopping around, banging up my OG paint in your fender well. CC for the win. I won't bore you with the other side. I'll get that side done, and we'll go on to the what do you call it, horn bolts. One of these days, I'm gonna rent a shop, you know? Don't have to worry about getting rained on. Gotta get work done. Well, it's raining. I learned this from my buddy Vw Nut 1967. There's nothing like wet sanding in the rain. So we'll come back. This was all that green right here, so this all came off. I did that off camera. So what I'm doing is just taking the heavy stuff lightly, trying to get rid of all this primer. I got a dent here, I didn't see that, but I'm gonna get all this off. We'll bring you back. Not happy. You can see I got most of that off. I have a lot more to go, but it looks better. It looks much better. The front is a lot of Bruce Banner. Some more here. I had some more up here, but I got that off. So let's get back to the transmission. Yeah, I know I left the door open, so it's a little wet in here. So we'll get this. Oh yeah, gotta have a little mousage in there. That's interesting. And what are we doing there? Man, it's all like caved in. What? Weird. We got that where the battery sat. And then that, I didn't even notice. Chrysler. There's like a hole back there. I don't even know what they were doing back there. Dubworks noticed that. He was a fan. How you like it? The car. You need air in your tire?
And your windows are down in your vehicle at the end of the drive.
My sunroof's open. Oh my. I forgot the sunroof. Dang it. I do this all the time. You know, I'm so busy wet sanding. It happens all the time, guys. You should have seen me in Florida when I lived in Florida in the rainy season. I worked at a motorcycle dealership. Driver's side open, and I went back to look for some 74 clutch cable. Oh yeah, oh yep, that's good. Needed a bath anyway. Yep, right through the blowhole. So I go to the back to look for that clutch cable, and I'm back there for a while. Some old Honda. And it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. I come out, and the whole front glass of the dealership is just, looks like a tidal wave just hitting it. And I'm like, Richie, what is that? He's like, it's rainy season, bro. What the hell is rainy season? Oh my sunroof's out of my truck, windows are down. I had wet pants. I had to ride to work on a towel for like a week to absorb. Ass would be wet, cup holders full of water. I'm not sure, did she say she liked it? She really didn't. She was just concerned with her car being turned around. What even is this? Yeah, she doesn't like to have to back out of the driveway. I know. I don't even understand that. All right, we'll just forget that for now. We'll get this little grub screw. Try and do this one-handed, but let me just cut that thing off. Did she even say that she liked the car? She didn't, did she? She's worried about her car getting backed up. All right. Can I get it with this? No. Let me get a adjustable. Oh, you scared me.
Where's Josh?
It's over in Nathaniel's. Do you like the car? Do you like the car? Make the tuna casserole. Do you like the car? Do you like the car? Say you like the crepes.
Well, I know you like this color.
And you don't.
Java green.
Good, I'm impressed.
I didn't say I don't like the color.
It's coming around. She didn't really say she liked the car though. Did she? I can't see if you guys can see, but there it is. What's not to like? It's got floor pans in it, mismatched seats, a hole in the dash. Can't wait till I buff that. I'm not really happy about that, but I'll take it. I do like this car. I don't like this seat. I just want it to move. Get these starter cables off. I get this clutch cable out. And I think we are clear. Brake lines, check. Starter, that's it. Just got to get the back tranny mounts. So we got two back tranny bolts. I've already started them. Nice ratchet. Doesn't know which way it's going. Alright, my ratchet doesn't know if it's righty-tighty or lefty-loosey. So I'm going to get another one and I'll bring it back. Sun's starting to shine through for this. Come on. Let me check that linkage. Yeah, I totally messed this up. Oh, is that it right there? No. Oh, no. As I'm reaching in there, there's a rat gonna come get me. I was like, don't. I got it jacked up in the back, I have it roll all the way to the front. So yeah, I forgot to take this second grub screw off and I'm pulling it. So yeah, don't do that. Oh, look how much easier it moves now. Don't forget the clutch cable tube. Always watch the hands. Going down. What am I missing? Ooh, sounds like we're hanging up on something yet right now. We're just on the jacks. Oh, we're hitting the apron, Einstein. A little more. It's not going to clear, is it? Nope. That's why I need another jack. I didn't go high enough to clear the bell housing. Try that. No, huh? Go out to the side. Oh, we got a mud flap on your side. There it is. Wasn't pretty. I'll remember to jack it higher next time. All right, well, I'm gonna clean that up, put the bolts back in. I'm gonna power wash all this. I gotta chisel out this engine seal, the old one. I've got another one on order. I just ordered about $4 worth of parts this afternoon, so a lot of prep. I got like I said, I got a new starter. We have to swap all these bushings over. I mean, it's just, it's just, I'm probably not going to film it, so, but that's the plan. We're going to get this tranny in. I'll change the oil when I get it in, and then maybe we can use this tranny to start that 1200 that he gave me. And yeah, that's what I should do. I should throw the engine that I plan on using in this. So we'll do that next time. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna keep prepping the swap over. Kind of tedious, just swapping parts. Hard to film, not very fun to watch. Don't forget to check out my guy Tony, Slade's VW. Great guy, awesome channel, a lot of how-to on VW stuff. Check it out. You guys will see you soon on the revival of 64 Java. Bruce Banner. Looking good. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. I gotta get out of the driveway because, you know, Jen's not happy. She's making tuna casserole though. Huh? Because she's going to Key West. Yeah. Gotta feed the belly. Alright. I'm really done. I'm gonna keep working though. I can't believe you drive that frickin' banana wagon or green pickle all the way to New York City. And then he shows up in his 2037 88 valve GTI.
88 valve?
Yeah. The show off.
Well, you know.
It's an air cooled show.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that. We'll put an air cooled in it.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
Dubworks.
Hi, Beck.
For people that may not know.
Yeah. Wow.
Here's Java.
Nice car. Solid.
Yeah, huh? Not the usual find in this driveway.
No. Brown interior. 64.
66 seat, I guess, driver's
This is
seat.
a 66 seat.
I didn't look at
That's
it.
the right seat.
That's that pattern too, huh?
No.
No?
Well,
No,
it's
not
on
the 64
the-
pattern, the 66 pattern.
Yeah, that's one you only had.
Yeah.
When you
Yeah.
only
I wonder what happened to the original driver's seat. Because the pattern's still under the, I didn't check the, obviously.
the cord is under the.
Yeah, the cord is under the driver.
That's a big deal. If you didn't know.
Yeah. So,
Wow. What are we paying it?
$4,100. It's a little,
big money.
It's strong
That's
money.
strong.
4,100, no engine, with a title and a key. It's strong money for, let's say, I mean, it is a small window.
A small window car.
But
It's
you
a
know,
late small window car.
right, no sunroof, not a 63 earlier ragtop, so it is strong money. But it is solid and it is Java. So if you want a Java car and it's looking at you in the eye, you buy it.
True.
And the scenery was epic. So I had to add 500 for the scenery.
For the scenery?
You know,
Did it come with the rack?
it did come with the rack.
That's $500.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a real Volkswagen rack.
Is it? I don't know.
Early 64.
Early 64. Yes, it
Very
is.
early.
It is. However, so I'm glad you brought that up because I'm so tired of seeing people say it's not a 64 or those are wrong.
No, it's early 64.
Early 64s, and I've had them have the small peanuts.
Yes. It's true.
This one did not get the earlier, smaller license plate light. But usually I've seen them with the small 63 style deck lid light and the small peanuts. What else you got on this thing?
Strange.
Yeah, that plug.
What's that, trailer lights?
I don't know. And also I had to drag it out with the Kubota. So remember it was doing the Herbie thing.
Yeah.
It was stuck in gear.
Doing this stuff?
Yeah, it wouldn't. So Josh pulled on it, freed up. So you remember this chassis? You're like, I'm not trying to traumatize you. This is not the oval.
There's water in
This
it.
is not the chassis you were evicted for. This is a different chassis.
Very similar though.
It is a very similar situation. So this is the chassis from the, well, you remember that, what was inside that vert?
All the parts?
No.
What was inside it?
Yeah, the Hulk and the brown Girl Scout cookie and everything.
Oh, Bruce Banner.
Bruce
Yeah,
Banner,
Bruce
that
Banner
was it.
in there. Yeah,
There was a substantial amount of bagged goods
yeah.
that we found in that. I'm not going to put it on YouTube. I do have footage of it. Maybe I'll throw it on my Instagram. So my plan was to utilize this. We've got the 67 tranny. Great tranny. I don't know what year all this stuff was done, but I'm going to throw this 67 tranny in that and then throw a 67 1500 in.
Will those stick out more?
Well, the long axles.
Long axles.
Yeah. But I'm not running
No.
slicks,
doesn't matter.
so that's the plan. Getting this into that.